Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to the last day of 21 Days to Heal Your Life Mirror Work Program by Louise Hay. To download her audio meditations, please go to her website hayhouse.com in the download section. Details are there in the description box of this video. So today it is no more a mirror walk exercise. Today it is a mirror play exercise. And today's chapter is Loving Yourself Now. Firstly, author is congratulating you guys for being a part of this journey, for having uh, done with 20 days of program already. She says this was not an easy journey. She knows that. And there were a few bumps and stumbling blocks along the way, but you stuck with it. And she's so proud of you. So, throughout this journey, you have used your mirror work to help you examine your self talk, quiet your inner critic, forgive those who have hurt you, let go of past fears, and release old beliefs and negative thought patterns. And by doing so, you have opened a storehouse of treasure within you. Always remember that there is one thing that heals every problem, and that is to love yourself. So let us see what is the mirror play exercise. Go to the mirror and look at the beautiful person looking back at you. Raise your arms and give yourself a big cheer for finishing this course. Say these affirmations. I love you, darling. I really love you. You did it. You completed this course. I am so proud of you. You can do anything you set your mind to. Take time to express your gratitude for all the work you have done. Say these affirmations. Thank you for hanging in there. Thank you for being open to learning something new. I really love you. Also, make a commitment to continue your mirror play. Say, I will see you tomorrow, gorgeous. We will discuss other areas that I would like to change. I love you. You are worth loving. You deserve only the best. Journaling exercise. The power is within you. Review your journal from the beginning of the course, go through each lesson, and congratulate yourself for all the work you have done. Write down the areas where you have progressed the most. Write down some of the problem areas where you could use more work. Go back and repeat the lessons in which you feel you need more guidance from your mirror. And if you like, share your comments about this course on her Facebook page. The address is reflecting on your face screens. Now go play with your inner child. Having said that, the point number 4, I would also like to request you guys who are watching the video to please like, share, and subscribe this channel. We will make sure that we come up with a lot of good content on law of attraction, self-love, and and affirmations. If there is any particular area where you would like the affirmations to be uploaded, please put it in the comment box and we will get back to you with a new video. Your heart thought for day 21. We are all part of the harmonious whole. Remember, you are a part of a community of people all over the globe who are working to make this a better world. We have come together at this time because there is something we need to learn from one another. Each one of us may benefit and grow from this experience. So always carry that heart thought. We are all part of the harmonious whole. By doing so, there is a divine blending of energies as we work joyfully together, supporting and encouraging one another in ways that are fulfilling and productive. We are healthy, happy, loving, joyful, respectful, supportive, and at peace with ourselves and with one another. So be it, and so it is. Day 21 meditation. A world that is safe. We have touched on many things in the past 21 days. We have talked about negative things and positive things. We have talked about fears and frustrations. Many of us still do not trust ourselves to take care of ourselves, and we feel lost and lonely. Yet we have been working on ourselves for some time and have noticed that our lives are changing. Lots of problems in the past aren't problems anymore. It doesn't change overnight, but if we are persistent and consistent, positive things do happen. So let's share the energy we have and the love we have with other people. Know that as we give from our hearts, we are also receiving from other hearts. Let's open our hearts so that we can take in everyone with love, support, and caring. Let's move that love to people in the street who have no homes and no place to go. Let's share our love with those who are angry, frightened, or in pain. Let's send love to the people who are in the process of leaving the planet and those who have already left. Let's share our love with everybody, whether they accept it or not. Let's hold the entire planet in our hearts, the animals, the vegetation, and all the people. The people we are angry at or frustrated with, those who are not doing things our way, and those who are expressing so called evil. Let's take them into our hearts too, so that from a feeling of safety, they can begin to recognize who they really are. See peace breaking out all over the planet. Know that you are contributing to the peace right now. Rejoice that you have the ability to do something positive to help. Acknowledge how wonderful you are. Know that it is the truth for you, and so it is. Whenever you are comfortable, open your eyes. Thank you to everyone for being a part of this 21-day program. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. Also, if there is any video about affirmation or law of attraction or power of subconscious mind that you would like me to upload, please leave a comment in the section below. We are starting The Secret, The Magic book by Rhonda Byrne from January 6th, 2021. So be with us and hope to see you guys following the video and doing the assignments of the book called The Magic. If you would like to be a part of the Zoom calls in which we read the chapter together as a group, in which I give uh, life examples and I also give my guidance from the learnings of all the workshops that I have attended about dream writing or vision board making or uh, the power of subconscious mind. If you want to be a part of that guided book reading session, then please register with us. Leave a comment below or follow us on the Facebook or leave a comment in the Facebook page or contact me on the messenger from the Facebook. The link of the Facebook is given in the description box below. Thank you so much, so much for being with me in this 21-day journey. Good luck to every one of you. Keep loving yourself. Bye bye.